Alright, well, I'm going to make a video of my impala at cold start at nighttime. It's pretty cold out here. My truck's already starting to frost over. I don't think this is yet because we drove it not too long ago. So, here we go. There's a family at the end of my street for some reason. Don't ask me why. Sorry you can't see nothing, but it's nighttime. It's like 6 o'clock or something. 7 o'clock exactly. Listen to that country, that's my mom. It's 37 outside. Here we go. No problem. Service tire monitor system. Don't ask me, I do not like that thing. And I'm going to do a demo of my stereo here. Let's get faces up, turn the mid down, go to the rear subs. Commercials. Oh, it's not bad. Bedrock. Alright, well, I'm already at 2:43, so I'm going to stop this video right now because that's going to take a long time to upload onto YouTube. So, peace.